Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. This is the mecor. It's their queen platform bed. It's got a tufted, square stitched headboard. It's really, really pretty, very elegant design, and it's one that is just gonna look good in any space, and it's really timeless, so you don't have to worry about this going out of style, which is good because it's gonna last a really long time. It's made out of very quality materials. It's gonna have something that really fits whatever space that you need. It's got 4 different colors, and they're all really pretty neutral shades that just look good in any space. And it's one that you can buy even if you're kind of planning on, oh, I might change up the decor later on down the road. These are all really pretty neutrals to where you can feel confident that, it's gonna really match whatever space you put them in. This is one of those beds that is a platform bed. It's got the slatted design, which means that you do not need a box spring. So save a little money, you don't need a box spring. It's going to, in my opinion, be a lot more comfortable to sleep on. I've made the switch to the slatted design, and I really, really like it. And it's also going to be better for the long-term health of your mattress and help them hold up and just be more, less sagging, more breathability, and just help your mattress stay in great condition for even longer. This guy is easy to put together. The only tricky part is I feel like they almost hide the instructions and tools and stuff from you because they put it in a zippered pocket in the headboard. So you get your flat pack box. This comes to you all in one box, which is really convenient. Get it all in the same day. Open it up and you might be like, oh no, how am I supposed to put this together? I don't have any screws, I don't have any tools. Don't be alarmed. They are all, just unzip the pocket on the back of the headboard. They are all in there, really, really convenient for you, safely tucked away, just to make it even easier to put your new bed together and get a great night's sleep. You guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super glad you did.